Question number 9, is ServiceNow difficult to learn for someone who is new to IT? Yes, this is a very valid question. Many freshers have this doubt. Okay, I'm not from IT. I'm very new to it. So shall I learn ServiceNow? Yes, I told you why. Okay, so let's see here. No, ServiceNow is one of the easiest platform to start with, and even for the beginner. Yes, I told you it is very easy. Why very easy? Because no coding need to be begin. There is no prerequisite for coding, but in other things you must know coding for Java and all and all. Okay, so here you start with ITSM module, then you learn how to work on the ticket. It means you learn the process. Then you build the form, flow and catalog items. It means you are doing admin work. Okay, and finally you proceed. Okay, so no dependency on scripting. You can easily enter based on your efforts in PDI, based on what you show. Okay, then you see free PDI, real practice. Why it is easy? Because it is giving you an opportunity to learn it properly. Okay, take example of Java and all. Okay, we do have some IDEs where you can write the code and all, but nobody is providing things which ServiceNow is providing. That is a free personal developer instance, and it is an actual instance which ServiceNow provide to a client. Okay, so you can do n number of practice, you can create your projects, you can do all the configurations, you can learn basic admin, development, integration, architect level thing in this free PDI. Okay, so this is a golden thing which ServiceNow is providing. So that's why it is very easy to learn, as well as it is very easy to get hands-on, which is very important. ServiceNow is moving towards low code. Okay, Flow Designer, Studio, Form Builder, all these things are encouraging citizen developers or no code developers, okay, to come into ServiceNow, learn these basic things and start building. Plenty of free resources. Yes, n number of websites, n number of YouTube channels, ServiceNow official website, ServiceNow documentation, ServiceNow free PDI. All these free resources are available where you can understand the ServiceNow and start working on it. Okay, so you have all this. Then we have massive community support. Yes, ServiceNow community, I will tell you, is one of the most active community I have seen. Once you log in, you will see there are experts who are ready to answer your queries in a very, very simple way so that you can understand it as soon as you write your question. And I'm not joking here. This is 100% true. Just go into ServiceNow community, ask your question, and you will see the answers right away. Okay. So what the last take here? If you know how to use Gmail, Google Form, you can learn ServiceNow. So if you are able to do these things, if you are able to, use mobile, then ServiceNow is just like that. So I will tell you, I welcome you in ServiceNow. Please come and let your dreams flourish. Okay. Thank you for this question.